go ahead and get your notes out. If you do not have these notes in the paper form, then you can go ahead back to the current lesson from yesterday and then click on the same link, Student Notes, to fill in. If you click on these, then it will pull up your electronic copy of your student notes from Kami. Okay, so yesterday we focused on transverse waves, and you just saw a video of how longitudinal waves work. So now we need to know the different parts of longitudinal waves. So looking at your diagram, make sure that you label the specific parts, okay? Where the coils are all together, that is called compression. Compression, because they're compressed together. And then where the coils are far apart is called rarefaction. Oops. Rarefaction. Okay, looking from compression to compression is one wavelength. And remember, our symbol lambda means the wavelength. So it's important to recognize that, and the text got cut off. It says that it vibrates in the same direction as the wave travels. Or we could say that the vibration is parallel to the wave movement. Oh, that looks sloppy. Okay, the vibration is parallel to the direction of the wave movement. This is different than the transverse waves where the vibration is perpendicular. Okay, so while the wave moves to the right, your vibration is also to the right. And you can watch the video that you just saw again to make sure that you see and understand what that looks like. Okay, so you need to know the different parts of the longitudinal and compression waves. You also need to know transverse waves. These light waves are transverse, and sound waves are longitudinal or compression. Okay, light waves are transverse waves, sound waves are longitudinal or compression. And a lot of times it doesn't look like a slinky. It looks, I drew a picture of it before. I'll just draw it over here. Let's see. It looks like dots together. Okay, where they're all close together and then they're far apart. This is not a good job. And then they're close together again. Man, I'm doing a terrible drawing. Let's just look it up on Google instead because my drawing is horrible. Oh, here we go. So right here, you see where they're close together and then far apart, close together, far apart. Okay, this is what a sound wave looks like. And this is a good picture, actually. It shows you where this is high, these are close together. And then the trough part, they're far apart. The crest, they're close together. The trough, they're far apart. The crest, they're close together again. Okay, so this up here with the dots, this is showing you like a longitudinal wave of a sound wave. Down here, this would be a transverse wave, which is like a light wave. Okay, so make sure that you study, you know all those different parts. You need to know all the parts of the transverse wave. You need to understand how they're made. You need to know about mediums. You should know all of that today. It should be very easy because tomorrow we're going to start learning about amplitude and frequency, and you have a lot more to be able to learn. Okay, so make sure that you use the rest of the time that you have to study and really understand the differences between these two waves.